Shongdor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Then the second agenda, which is very, very important, is relating to the price of petrol and diesel. As you are all aware, that government of India has reduced the excise duty of petrol and diesel product in the whole country. So the state government also in line with the advice from the government of India has taken a decision that further reduction on price of petrol and price of diesel has to be implemented immediately from the midnight of tonight. Means early 6th, today's 5th, right? Early 6th from 12:001, new rate will be in place from tonight. Okay. The tax reduction, as you are all aware, till today, the government of Meghalaya has reduced the tax to 20% on 20% on petrol and 12% on diesel. So today we have reduced the taxed percentage from 20% on petrol to 13.5%. From 20% to 13.5% per liter of petrol, and also from 12% on diesel, it has been reduced to 5% per liter. From 12% to 5% per liter on diesel and 20% to 13.5% on petrol. And the amount, if you convert it into the hard cash, it comes to about 5 rupees point 20 paisa, 15 paisa per liter, both on diesel as well as petrol. Of the concerned citizens of the state, till today the price of petrol in Guwahati is 94.58 rupees per liter. You got it? In Guwahati, as of today, means after reduction, the price of petrol comes to 94.58, and in Meghalaya, Pynhiar, it comes to 92.38 paisa, and in Shillong, it comes to 93.91 paisa. Then on diesel, in Assam, Guwahati, the price of diesel is 81.29 per liter, whereas after the decision taken by the state government this evening, the price of diesel in Meghalaya, Pynhiar sector, it comes to 79.41 per liter, and in Shillong, it comes to 80 16.57 per liter. So the total relief of the price of petrol comes to 10.95 per liter. 10 rupees 0.95 per liter in Pynhiar and 11.08 in Shillong. And on diesel, the total relief is 16.67 16.67 in the entire state of Meghalaya. So these are the two agendas where we have taken today.